For thousands of Arkansas families, the Women, Infants, and Children program provides access to healthy foods for moms and babies, but advocates are warning that proposed federal cuts could make that support harder to access for those who need it. 5 News reporter Jada Daniels spoke with those advocates about how this could affect Arkansans.
Advocates say every dollar matters for families already stretching their budget. And the Family Network in Springdale, who supports moms and babies, say cutting benefits would be a step in the wrong direction. Well, Arkansas Advocates for Children and Families says thousands of Arkansans are already struggling to afford basic needs. Now they're concerned after the U.S. House voted to cut $200 million from the Women's, Infants, and Children's Program, or WIC, making it that much harder for Arkansan families to get by, according to AACF.
It provides nutritious foods, nutrition education, breastfeeding support, and referrals to healthcare and social services for about 65,000 low-income Arkansans each year.
The bill, if passed through the U.S. Senate, could also eliminate the option for virtual WIC appointments. Kristen Harper with AACF says that creates even more barriers for parents.
They're really a lifeline for busy families, particularly for those who might not have reliable transportation or just reside a long distance from the local health units.
At the Family Network, Executive Director Audrey Zabaleta says the need is something she sees every day.
I remember having my first baby and just not even really knowing what to expect, and I remember how stressful it was. And
she says for many of the mothers they help, stress quickly turns into decisions.
From moms all the time, how they're cutting back on their food so that their baby can eat, or they're cutting back on whatever, they have to choose between paying rent and buying food for their baby, and moms are having to make impossible choices.
Zabaleta says reducing WIC benefits would only make those choices more common.
I think it would be such a shame and 10 steps backward if we were to reduce WIC benefits, because it's one of those essential things that moms need.
The bill now lies in the hands of the Senate, and if approved, it will take effect for the 2027 fiscal year. And while lawmakers continue to decide, local organizations tell me they'll continue to provide that support. In Springdale, covering news where you live, Jada Daniels, 5 News.